Secrets to achieving a flat belly at home for women. Transform your midsection with these effective tips. Are you tired of struggling to get rid of stubborn belly fat, especially when you're stuck at home? Are you struggling to maintain a healthy diet while spending more time at home? Well, you're not alone. In today's video, we're going to address this common problem and provide you with practical solutions to help you achieve that flat belly you've always wanted, all from the comfort of your own home. Let's start. Alternating squat and reach. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, squat down, and reach one arm towards the foot. Return to the starting position and repeat on the other side. This exercise targets your core, legs, and shoulders. Bicycle crunch. Lie on your back with your hands behind your head and legs lifted off the ground. Bring one knee towards your chest while simultaneously twisting your torso to bring the opposite elbow towards the knee. Repeat on the other side in a pedaling motion. This exercise engages your entire core, including your obliques. Crab toe touches. Sit on the ground with your knees bent and hands behind you, fingers pointing towards your body. Lift your hips off the ground, forming a reverse tabletop position. Extend one leg and reach across your body with the opposite hand to touch your toes. Alternate sides, engaging your core and targeting your obliques. Elbow plank push. Start in a plank position on your elbows, with your body in a straight line from head to heels. Push up onto your hands, one at a time, then return to the starting position, maintaining stability in your core. This exercise strengthens your entire core, including your abs, obliques, and lower back. Heel touches. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the ground. Lift your shoulders off the ground and reach towards your heels, alternating sides. This exercise targets your obliques and helps define your waistline. Standing hip rotation. Stand with your feet hip-width apart and hands on your hips. Rotate your hips to one side, then back to the center, and then to the other side. Keep your core engaged and maintain a stable stance. This exercise targets the muscles in your core and hips. Lying side crunch. Lie on your side with your legs stacked and knees bent. Place one hand behind your head and lift your upper body towards your hip, then lower back down. Repeat on the other side. This exercise focuses on your obliques and helps tighten your waistline. Star crunch. Lie on your back with your arms and legs extended outwards, forming a star shape. Crunch up, bringing your opposite hand towards your opposite foot, then lower back down. Repeat on the other side. This exercise engages your entire core, including your upper and lower abs, as well as your obliques. With the right combination of clean eating, targeted workouts, and consistency, you can achieve that flat belly you've always dreamed of, right from the comfort of your own home. Remember, you've got this, and I'm here to support you every step of the way.